In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate a public share link and export a blueprint within Make, allowing you to easily share your workflows with anyone. Make is a powerful collaborative design tool, perfect for quickly prototyping and documenting ideas, especially when working with teams or clients who need to understand your process. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, let's start with generating a public share link. This method creates a dedicated web page for your scenario, letting others view your workflow and easily copy it into their own Make accounts. Think of it as a simplified interactive version of your Make scenario that someone can explore without needing a Make account themselves. It's brilliant for client presentations, demos, or just giving a quick overview of your design. First, you'll need to open your scenario in the Scenario Builder. Simply navigate to the scenario you want to share within the Make interface. Once you've found your scenario, click the Save button. This isn't strictly necessary to generate the link, but it's always a good practice to ensure your scenario is saved before making any sharing changes. Now click the Share button in the top right corner of the builder. This is where the magic happens. Next, you'll see a toggle switch labeled Public Scenario Page. You need to toggle this switch on. When this is activated, Make creates a unique publicly accessible URL directly linked to your scenario. It's important to understand that before enabling this, your scenario is private to you and anyone could potentially edit it. It's a great way to share a snapshot of your work. Now, let's customize the public page. Below the toggle, you'll find a details section where you can customize your title, thumbnail, and add any specific setup instructions. Add a clear and concise title that accurately describes your scenario. You'll also want to upload a relevant thumbnail image to make the link visually appealing. Finally, if there are any particular steps or settings someone needs to know to understand your scenario, add those setup instructions here. This ensures the person visiting the link has all the context they need. Once you've customized it, click Copy Link to share it with your team, clients, or on social media. This will copy the generated URL to your clipboard, ready for pasting into an email, message, or post. Now let's move on to method 2, exporting and importing a blueprint. This method provides a raw JSON file of your entire workflow, which is useful for direct file sharing or embedding into documentation. This is a more technical approach, ideal when precise control over the file format is needed. Open your scenario, click the 3 dots More menu in the upper right corner of the builder, and select Export Blueprint. This action will generate a JSON file containing all the data defining your scenario. It's essentially the complete recipe for making your design. Save the downloaded JSON file to your computer. It's important to save it in a location you can easily find. Remember, this file is your blueprint, so keep it safe. The recipient can then open their own scenario, click the 3 dots, select Import Blueprint, and upload your JSON file. They'll essentially be rebuilding your scenario from the ground up using the data contained within the JSON file. This method is less visually intuitive but powerful for sharing and version control. Okay, let's recap what we've covered. We've learned 2 distinct methods for sharing your Make scenarios: generating a public share link, which creates a web page for easy viewing, and exporting a blueprint, which provides a raw JSON file for more controlled sharing. Both methods are valuable depending on your specific needs and the audience you're sharing with. To help you further, the next step would be to explore the options for controlling access to your scenarios within Make itself. You can adjust privacy settings to further restrict who can view or edit your work. Also, experiment with different thumbnail images and titles to see what resonates best with your audience. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next. Don't forget to save this video for future reference, as generating shareable links is a key skill for streamlining your workflow in Make.